Do you have issues in manual sampling? Do you want to convince your customer with precise data? Are you looking for an automatic and smarter laminating machine? With 53 years of experience in making laminating machines,葉興Machinery has created a PUR-X laminating machine to satisfy your need. Customization. PUR-X is not only light and easy to operate, but it can be customized based on your requirement. From 2:1 and 3:1, you can laminate anything from a board to film. Intelligent. With the function of internet connectivity, you can not only get the cost estimate, but you can also record the operating data and provide the output to you on your smartphone. Quality. Integrated with a steel blade holder made in Germany and compliant with CE certification. With PUR-X, you can guarantee your customers to provide the best quality. We provide professional training and operation manual, 1-year warranty, and everlasting efficient service. PUR-X is being used in medical industry, technical, and composite material industry all around the world. So if you're looking for a reliable machine brand or an innovative laminating solutions,葉興Machinery will be your best partner to trust. Contact us at葉興Machinery, the expert in laminating machines.